Hey, good afternoon, Riley from McNaught Cadillac, and I'm going to show you our 2016 GMC Canyon SLT Long Box Edition. Really nice small size truck here. You've got the 3.6 liter V6 engine, and that's going to be paired up with a 6-speed auto transmission. So really great highway fuel economy, but you're still going to have best-in-class towing for when you need it the most. Now, taking a look at these wheels, these are 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, and you've got the newer all-season tires on here as well, so plenty of tread left on those tires. Now, a couple details on the front end include your chrome front grille and bottom bumper. You do have the fog lamps on this vehicle as well, and chrome door handles and mirror caps also come standard. Now, this is a certified pre-owned truck, meaning you've got just over 57,000 kilometers on it as of this video. Still going to be some factory warranty on here as well. Now you've got the assist step rear bumper, chrome rear bumper itself, as well as your heavy duty trailering package. Now, taking a look inside the box, you've got the easy lower lift tailgate and a drop-in bed liner, which we added just the other day. As we move around the other side, you do have the GMC branded mud guards. And look at the condition of all four wheels. Absolutely no curb rash whatsoever. This vehicle is in overall great condition. Now, taking a look inside the driver's seat, you've got the black leather interior, power adjustable controls for the front seat as well as your lumbar support. And you do have your GMC branded all-weather mats as an added bonus. Now, over here, leather wrapped steering wheel, and behind that you are going to find your headlight controls and automatic 4x4 controls. On the driver's door panel itself, you do have your one touchdown windows, your power adjustable side view mirrors, and your child safety locks. Now, I've gone ahead and taken a seat inside the GMC Canyon. Let's take a look at some of the main selling features about this truck that you need to know. So over here, leather wrapped steering wheel, you do have your cruise controls on the left, as well as your hands-free call buttons and 5-point command center, which is going to configure that center LCD display that you have here on the front dash. Now, you do have your volume controls located right behind the steering wheel itself. And now let's take a look at the 8-inch touchscreen display. You've got navigation on here, you've got Sirius XM radio, you've also got a CD player and auxiliary in case that's what you're looking for, as well as Bluetooth phone connectivity and Apple CarPlay support. So really nice and easy to use radio system. You've got the hard controls located just below that, as well as your climate controls and 6-way heated seats for both front passengers. Now, a couple other switches down here include your traction control, your box light, and your towing mode. And if we look just down below, you've got a DC outlet, your USB charging port, and your auxiliary. Now, putting your Canyon into reverse is going to activate your backup camera with the trajectory lines. If you open up the armrest itself, you've got plenty of storage and another USB port. And overall, that's about it for the features here in your GMC Canyon. You've got the auto dimming mirror with your OnStar buttons, and then of course you've got your interior dome lights up here and your sunglass compartment. Now, taking a look into the back seat space of your GMC Canyon, plenty of legroom. This is a crew cab model, meaning obviously enough room to seat 3 adult passengers. As you can see, you've got the armrest with the cup holders, your sliding rear window, and once again the all-weather mats in the back seat as well, so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet dirty. Now, there's plenty of charging ports back here if you need to plug in your iPad or your phone. And overall, that is a brief tour of our GMC Canyon. If you want to come down to McNaught and take a look at it for yourself, I invite you over, and our sales professionals would love to help you find the perfect vehicle, whether that's a brand new one or a certified pre-owned vehicle.